Good morning. Next article is common statement. What is use of this common statement? You know the variables. For what purpose variables are used? Variables are used to reserve some part of memory of the computer to store data or constants. The same thing can be done by common. When we use common statement, number of variables specified in common statement, for this group of variables, some portion of memory of the computer is reserved, and this part of memory will be divided among the variables expressed in the common statement. For example, common ABC. It means that ABC are the variables. These variables ABC will be assigned some constant value. The constants which are assigned to variables ABC will be stored in some part of memory, and that part of memory is reserved for the variables ABC because of the common statement. For example, because of this common statement, this particular part of the computer is reserved. This reserved part of memory of the computer is shared by these three variables. This will be shared by A, this will be shared by B, this will be shared by C. So, sharing of common memory is possible for the list of variables which are expressed in the common statement, and therefore common statement is generally used to reserve some part of memory of the computer for the variables expressed in the common statement. Let us write two programs. One program without using common statement, and the same program using common statement. For example, So I have written here one program using subroutine, and common statement is not used here. So I will first write the same program using common statement. After that, I will explain this program as well as the second program. Both the programs are same. What is difference? In this program, common statement is not used. For these variables a, b, c, and for the variables x, y, z, different memory areas of the computer are reserved. Common a, b, c, common x, y, z, same memory area it is reserved for a, b, c as well as for x, y, z, because a, b, c here are used as dummy argument, and when we do actual calculation x, y, z will be used as the real argument or actual argument. See what we have done in this program. Subroutine sum a, b, c. A, b, c are the arguments separated by commas. Let c is equal to a plus b. Return end. This is the subroutine. Comment main program. Data statement, data x comma y. Data is assigned to x and y in the same statement. 5 point, that is 5 in real form, 10 point, 10 in real form. 5 is real data, this 10 is real data. 5 is assigned to x, 10 is assigned to y. Call sum x, y, z. this subroutine is called and sum of x and y is done, that sum will be equal to z. Write the sum, write asterisk comma 2, asterisk for default input device, 2 for the line statement of line number of format statement z. Okay, 1x when writing z, which is sum of x and y, one column is skipped and z is written in the format f8.2 stop and end. The program execution will be terminated and the control will leave the program. This way, this program is written using the subroutine. Let us write the same program, but while writing the same program, we are going to use the common statement and see how the program now takes the form. Subroutine sum A, B, C. There is no need to define the arguments after sum. Here it is needed to define the arguments A, B, C. Here for this function it is not needed to define the arguments. Instead, what we do? We shall define the arguments A, B, C in the common statement, common A, B, C. So, some memory area of the computer will be reserved for A, B, C. Then the same thing, C is equal to A plus B, return end. This is the subroutine using common statement. Use this subroutine in the main program. See the common comment, and what is comment? Main program, common x, y, z. Whatever memory is reserved for the arguments A, B, C, the same memory can be used by the arguments x, y, z in the main program. Data x, y, the same thing again. Using this data statement, data 5 point is assigned to y, data 10 point is assigned, data 5 point is assigned to x, data 10 point is assigned to y. So, 5 and 10 are real constants. Right, it is again a comment. Write asterisk comma asterisk, the sum is. And what is sum? Sum is z. According to the subroutine, sum is z, which is sum of x and y. Write this or print this. That is, write asterisk for input default device, 2 for line number of format, and this is the sum of x and y. It will be again real. What format to be used to print this real sum z? Format 3x, 3x, 3 spaces, 3 columns in the output will be skipped, will be kept blank, and after that z, the sum, is written in the real format, real fractional format f8.2. Program execution is terminated, ended, and the control leaves the program. So, this is how common statement can be used. This is how common statement can be used for reserving some part of memory for the variables specified in the common statement. So, these are the two programs written without using common statement in the first case, using common statement in the second case. This is about common statement. Hope you got it. Thank you.